Hi, today I'll show you how you can join classes from our Techfios student portal. First, go to techfios.com. Then at the top right corner, you'll see a login options. In here, use your email and password to log in. Once logged in, navigate to the left side of your screen and search for an option called courses. Then click on it. On this page, you will see all the available courses you are currently taking. So for this student, we'll select QA automation course and click on this view classes button. Alright, now let's talk about joining specific classes on our platform. Here, you will notice that we have multiple class cards displayed on this page. Each card represents a different class. For example, if you are interested in joining the SDLC class, find that SDLC class card, which is this one. Within that card, you will see a button labeled Join Now. Click on that button to join the SDLC classes. So let's just click on it.
It will open a new tab. From here, we need to download the software called GoToMeeting. All of our classes are held on this GoToMeeting app. So to download it, we need to click on this Join from My Desktop button. Then we need to click on this Download the App button. So after you have successfully downloaded it, open it. Now it will be automatically installed in your system. So our GoToMeeting app is installed. Now select computer. If you are joining from computer or PC or laptop, then click on this save and continue. Then again click on this save and continue. Now you can change your name from here. Click on this pencil button and type a name as you want. In my case, I'll just type Tujo and I'll click on this OK, I'm ready.
Now you have successfully joined our SDLC classes. Thank you.